whole entire world.
Hello, hola, and bonjour. Welcome to STEMWorld. I'm Jocelynne.
I'm Junior.
And I'm Josiane.
And today we have two experiments for you guys, two dry ice experiments. And sorry for the noise, it's just good stuff. So we have two experiments, that we're going to show you guys.
Right. This is actually like our first experiment where you could get hurt. Because if you handle the dry ice
With
without
your bare hands, then you will get an extreme frostbite. So guys, make sure to get really strong gloves if you guys are handling dry ice. So yeah, let's get into it.
We're not going to touch that.
What we have is 4 bottles.
buckets or whatever.
Yeah, buckets, bottles, whatever you want to call it. Water and
Food coloring.
And on this side we have a cloth, some more like buckets, and some water.
Yeah, and we also have soap. We're gonna test the soap with these two experiments.
Pink soap.
Yup.
My favorite color.
I'm kind of excited to see how this is going to turn out.
Same.
But
So
first let's put our protection.
the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to get our water and put it into our buckets.
Ooh, that sounds satisfying.
We're going to put a little bit. Who wants to put the food coloring?
Can I? Oh, we could all do that.
No, but just put it just about the same size as this one. Yes. That's it.
And then after, can I put it in the other ones?
Sure. Well, we're just going to use 2 for now.
And then after
We're going to test the big cups. So, now we're going to put our food coloring. Who wants to put our food coloring?
Me.
Okay, what color are we going to use then?
Maybe we should use red and
Green.
Red and blue.
blue.
Yay!
So now we have our bucket of food coloring right here.
Okay, I'm getting red.
We collected all the food
Actually,
coloring colors.
me and Blue have some history.
Josiane, you're getting
Red.
red.
Oh,
Now, oh my goodness. Let's get into it.
Jocelyn, we're gonna add 4 to 5
5.
drops. So
Five.
you were saying?
And
Wow.
now we are going
Like
to
a
get a popsicle stick to just mix it or so. It's starting to spread out with the water. So yeah, I'm really excited for this.
Oh.
Wow, a popsicle stick just magically came.
Yep, definitely. Okay.
You guys put the food. Mix it. Mix it.
It's gonna turn purple because. Okay.
Okay. Now my favorite part of this
Put it
is putting the dry ice in.
Jocelyn's part is
Guys,
definitely
you
pink.
have to be careful with the dry ice. So I'm just going to put it over here and get the dry ice.
Oh, I'm staying
Oh my
back.
goodness.
I'm staying back.
Is it cold?
It's not cold at
I'm
all.
not.
I think it's sticking.
I'm still coming back.
Whoa, no!
Oh.
Okay, now let's put it in and see what happens.
Whoa!
Let's put in the other one.
It's not.
Whoa, that looks...
Oh,
Whoa!
look at the steam!
Look at the steam, guys!
Let's put
Oh.
Let's put more in the red. More in the red.
Yeah, I'm going to...
Do you guys hear like it's gargling?
Yeah, it's gargling.
That's so cool. Guys! What's happening? But I have some gloves. Look at
That's not
this.
protected gloves.
Whoa, guys, now look at this.
Wait, can I put the wait, guys? So should we like wait and see like how the dust is coming out?
Yeah, look, it's coming out everywhere,
Look, it's
guys.
coming here.
Okay, so guys, we are back in the STEM lab. And this is a quick after experiment.
Retake.
Retake it. Yeah, retake. Okay.
So-
So, which experiment we're going to start with? This one? Or this one?
We'll just start with this one, I guess, because that's where we have the most ingredients.
Yeah.
Sure, we'll do it.
Or the bubbles.
We'll do like the one that we did last time, like yeah, the bubbles.
Yeah. Okay.
Sure.
So, we have our soap. Oh, and we can't forget our food coloring.
Can't forget our Can't forget.
because that's where it brings the color.
Yeah.
And we have the 2 big buckets.
Okay, since we already saw this, but I really like seeing it again because it just looks so cool.
Yeah. So, anyways, I want to start. So we haven't used yellow often, so maybe.
And we haven't used green.
Yeah.
So
let's put.
we used blue and red, but now let's use green because
And we're gonna
we're gonna try something different.
And we're gonna put 4 to 5 drops.
4 to 5 drops.
Yes, 4 to 5 drops.
Yeah. 4 to 5 drops, definitely.
Okay, ready?
Don't put it. We don't have.
Wait, this one is not even.
What is that?
Okay, ready? This one. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How?
Oh,
No, that's not even enough. This is a big one, so we have to like.
Okay, let me
I
help
guess you are
Jocelyn.
right.
Let me help. I could put more color because I'm
Look
a
at that.
colorful girl.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. Okay. Now,
Okay.
let's start. I want
So if you have a big bowl, then you can like put like at least 1 to 35.
Oh my goodness, it looks like.
Across the-
Look at this yellow color.
It kind of looks like. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's like
well,
green. It's
It
like,
kind of looks like that.
Yeah.
like,
Oh my god, this is actually really hard to stir.
let me stir.
It goes like one way, but then it goes like another.
Oh,
Probably because there's too much
my.
water. And it's
The-
heavier.
It's like a vortex.
Yeah.
What's a vortex? We don't know that.
Oh my! I'm just okay. I should stop.
Okay,
I
anyways,
should retire
now
from stirring.
everybody back up because we're getting our dry ice. Everybody? Now we're going to take the whole thing this time and dump it. So
Don't dump it in one. Just
make sure
take some
because we don't
handfuls.
want. So it-
Remember, guys, this is extremely dangerous. Do not handle dry ice.
With your bare hands.
Oh,
Whoa! Oh my goodness!
It's like I've never seen it with like the big ones. It looks so cool.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness! It's going everywhere.
How is this allowed to? It's going on our precious food coloring.
Okay, now.
The smoke down here is cold.
Ouch.
Look at this. Oh my goodness! It's freezing my hand. Okay, now let's add our dish soap here.
Remember, guys, this is really dangerous. Do not
Touch it with your bare.
Okay, do not touch
Just with your
bare hands.
Do not touch it.
Okay, oh my goodness. I'm
Do
gonna
not touch it with
your
your
bare
bare
hands. Okay, now let's put
That
our.
sounds so weird.
This is what I just-
Do not touch it.
Okay, so we have to use this dish soap at use. Oh my goodness.
That's what's gonna happen.
Oh
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Look at this! Like,
Oh, I might
Catch
catch
it.
it.
catch it, catch it.
Catch it.
Whoa! Look at this! Oh my goodness! It's going everywhere!
Oh no, we have to stop it from going. Wait, it's actually turning into smoke.
We have to stop it going on the floor. Stop! Stop, you evil bubbles!
It literally just.
Ah!
This is actually magic.
Oh my goodness.
This is actually magic. Like it looks like
No,
magic.
it's science.
It's science.
It's not magic. It's science. Look, it's like literally we could just
Whoa.
make. Okay, this is way too much.
This is too much. This experiment was a gigantic success.
too big.
Too big.
That's so
I
big.
can't believe it.
We actually have to like stop it from going on the floor because it's too big. It's like a volcano.
Wait. It's like
It's going everywhere, guys.
it's our mini volcano times 100.
Yep.
Wait, guys, wait, look. Welcome to my magic show.
Oh my god!
It's not magic. It's science.
It's so cold.
And it's making this like gargling noise.
Welcome to my magic show.
It's science. I'll get to my magic cell.
Let's move on to another turn because we don't have all day here.
Yeah, we don't have all.
Well, I could even spend here 24 hours.
Okay.
Okay.
And now let's just put this aside.
Yeah.
Put everything aside.
This is a really okay.
Okay. And now we're going to do this experiment now. Whew. This has been
Get
a
away.
really long.
Experiment. I don't know how long this video is going to turn out to be.
Okay. Anyways, now we have our bowl with water, a bunch of water, because we want it to
Really be
really be big. And we have our cloth, and yeah, we need our food coloring again because we want it to be like
Yeah.
colorful.
I think it'll be hard opening
Let's
it.
make purple this time.
Yeah, but
Red
I
and blue,
think
red and
it
blue.
will be hard
I'm taking the
opening
blue.
it.
I'm taking the red.
Me and blue have some history that we need to be
I'm
done.
taking the red too.
Oh no, I can't open this.
Oh no!
Oh,
It's so slippery.
It's also my hands are slippery. I can open it.
I can't.
Oh.
But I might not be able to open it, but
Oh my
it's
goodness.
literally going everywhere. Wait. I mean, I'm not complaining.
Yeah, so let's get our
Can
popsicle.
someone help me, please? I cannot. Oh my!
Let's get our popsicle stick and mix
Can
it.
you open it?
Sure.
How can you open it with those slippery hands?
Too much stuff.
Too much.
Too much. Now let's get our popsicle stick and mix, and it's gonna turn a purple color. Look.
Ooh. Whoa, that it.
Ooh,
I love how food color just blends together. Like it just turns dark like a steam. Whoa.
Whoa, look at that purple color.
It looks so cool.
Oh
So
my!
sick.
I think I'm
That's
gonna
turning like
have-
black.
So if if you guys want to like mix different food colors, just add your favorite colors if you guys know how to mix. I mean, who doesn't? But yeah.
Hey, anyways, look at this.
Oh!
It definitely looks cooler
I
when you
have
mix
soapy-
different colors together. So.
Yeah.
I have soapy red hands.
Okay, now let's put these
Yeah.
aside and wait for my time. We're adding our dry ice.
The dry ice.
This looks. Whoa! Look at the bottom of the other experiment.
I mean, it doesn't turn to dust anymore, so.
Yeah.
But it's still fun to play with. But we're focusing on this.
Okay, now let's get prepared and add our dry ice. So everybody, stand back.
Okay, we're gonna stand back for this because this is about to be a masterclass.
Okay.
Oh
Oh my goodness!
no!
There's bubbles. There's a little bit of soap.
Don't kick it.
It's covering the whole table.
The whole table.
Oh my goodness, guys!
So good!
Oh my,
Whoa! It's starting to fill up our soap.
it's oh my god! You know, this is actually like the biggest and best experiment that I've ever done.
Yeah.
Can't get our goggles on for this one.
Oh my goodness. Let's put the dry ice aside and wow!
Whoa!
We're gonna put a bunch of soap.
Not that much soap.
Not too much.
Well, it's a big one. So we're gonna.
I don't know how
This
how
one
this
is
is. I don't know how this is ever going to create a bubble because look at that.
I can barely see.
Jocelyn can barely see anything.
Even with these clear goggles.
Oh my! Look at look. These bubbles are.
Oh wow!
Why?
Oh my goodness! Look at the bubbles.
That's so
The
cool.
oh
Oh my goodness! It's starting to fall on the ground.
Junior! Try how big these oh my!
Whoa!
No, this is too messy.
This is too messy!
It's too messy. Look.
Oh my god! Look.
It's starting to bust,
getting-
and it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
We gotta protect it from falling
That is so cool though. Look how big this experiment is. Literally just turning into a.
This is the biggest experiment we've ever done.
Popsicle stick got digged up under here!
But look, guys, and you know what the cool part is? You could just go and then look at it.
No, let's see how big it gets. Let's see how big it gets. Let's see how
That
big it
would
gets.
be so
But
cool.
also try protecting it so it cannot fall down!
This is definitely one of the funnest and best experiments that
It's so cool!
Dry ice is amazing.
Dry ice is
There's so many things that you
amazing.
can do with dry ice.
Yeah.
Looks so cool.
And I would say you can try this at home with parent supervision, like you have it now.
Super big.
But this is a definitely a fun experiment. You guys should try it, but make sure to stay safe.
Yeah, stay
It's
safe.
super cool.
Especially with dry ice.
Remember
Especially
that.
when handling dry ice.
Try
But
protecting
maybe we
it.
should do like a little montage of us playing with this dry ice.
Sorry guys, yeah, they make it look better.
Yeah, now it's just the dry ice has gone.
I've literally cleared everything. So yeah.
And yeah, this is probably
Well,
the
the
best
purple
experiment
didn't
ever.
really do
Yeah. Well, kind of.
The purple didn't do much, but it's just, oh my
goodness.
Oh my!
This is so messy. I don't know.
It's so messy.
Yep, fun.
Well,
But
you
messy.
guys can try this at home, but remember, you have some cleaning to do.
Yeah, it's because all our lab is colorful now.
There's so many colors
Green,
mixed in. All over
like
the table.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Okay, but anyways, this was another experiment. We're gonna do more. We're gonna do more of this kind of experiments.
Comment down below which experiments you want us to do.
Yeah, comment down below because we'll gladly try your experiments.
Yeah.
Yes.
So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. Don't miss any of our videos.
And also check out our website, Stemworld Educational Services.
For more free STEM courses. Okay, so that's it for the video.
Bye.